This is Amber with WaveRez, and we're going to go over how to create a booking. Now, there are two different ways to create a booking, one of which you can do directly from the matrix view by clicking here, which I will show you in a moment. And the other is by creating a new reservation for this little plus sign in the top right-hand corner. This takes you to a basic reservation creation that doesn't pre-select the activity, arrival date, and schedule, so you have to select all of those manually yourself. But if you were to use the matrix view, you can say go right to this little block that's open, click on it, and it auto-populates that date, time, and then you can select your trip or ticket. This will allow you to select the ticket type. It will only show you the tickets that are available, and then you can select the equipment if you wanted to change that from your previous selection and amount, as well as put any comments for the order right here. Moving on to the next screen. This is where you input the customer's information. So you can type in their information here. And the phone number. And this allows you to send a text confirmation for the order, but today we're not going to do that, so we can uncheck it. Those are the required fields for this information screen, but if you want, you can also input the email address or other information as needed. This is the payment options area. Now you can change the payment types to any custom payment types you have set up or the predetermined payment types. The credit card one will take you to a new screen that will allow you to enter all the credit card information or use a swipe device if you have one connected. Card hold will also allow you to enter the credit card information, but it does not charge the card at that time. Card cash is a split option if they're using card and cash combination, and then cash option is if they're just paying cash. And we have a few other options. Paying on arrival just means no payments taken at this time, but there will be a balance on the order. And this is some other custom payment types that we have set up. For today, we're just going to put it on the cash option. Now, one thing I forgot to mention, if it is a customer that you've had before, you can search for that customer and it will bring up all of their information if they're already in the system, as well as you can apply promotion codes up here at the top. If you have any promos set up, you can select them right from here and it'll automatically take that discount off the order. Now, if we were wanting to just go ahead and complete the booking, we could click complete booking, but I want to touch on the cart real quick. So say if you had somebody come up and they were asking you about availability in the middle of taking an order, or you wanted to change something and you had to leave the screen for some reason. So let's just say we had to leave the screen to go look at the matrix view again. So we can click up here on this card icon, and that will have all the information that we've already entered. And we can click update and continue to go directly back into the cart that we already had set up. All right, so we'll go ahead and change this back to cash and we'll complete our booking. Now, cash bookings will give you a payment total and the cash that they give you. So say they give you $100 and we hit confirm, it will give you the change that is due back to the customer. Once you click OK, this completes the booking and brings you to the completed booking screen where you can show orders, or you can view this particular order, trip, or you can go ahead and check the customer in, as well as print options. If you have a printer, you can do ticket only, receipt and tickets to go ahead and print those out for the customer. So if you go back to the matrix view, you can see this order has been inputted right here, and that's going to back it up exactly to the next order to prevent overbooking.